Today, we're diving into the world of extreme luxury and brute performance with the 2026 Brabus Big Boy Motorhome, a rolling palace engineered to dominate both highways and off-grid adventures. This motorhome sets entirely new benchmarks for power, comfort, and exclusivity. Let's explore what makes it a true icon in the ultra-luxury RV segment. Step inside and you're welcomed by an expansive, ultra-premium living space designed with precision and elegance. The main lounge includes a massive Ultra HD flat-screen display, a premium surround sound system, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light. The kitchen is fully outfitted with top-tier appliances, including an induction cooktop, integrated espresso machine, oversized refrigerator, and climate-controlled wine storage. The master bedroom features a luxury king-size bed with memory foam bedding, while the spa-inspired ensuite bathroom offers high-end fixtures, a rainfall shower, and designer finishes, delivering 5-star comfort wherever the journey takes you. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Brabus Big Boy Motorhome is nothing short of commanding. Built on a heavy-duty man truck platform, its bold, muscular design reflects Brabus's unmistakable styling DNA. The exterior showcases aggressive aerodynamic sculpting, carbon fiber elements, and a signature matte or gloss Brabus exclusive paint finish for maximum visual impact and durability. Large power-operated slide-outs expand the living space, while an integrated awning system creates a luxurious outdoor lounge area. Massive forged alloy wheels, off-road tires, and illuminated Brabus badging reinforce its dominant road presence. Despite its size, the Big Boy is engineered for stability, strength, and confident handling across long distances. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Brabus Big Boy Motorhome delivers astonishing capability. Power comes from a massive turbocharged diesel engine producing exceptional torque, perfectly suited for hauling this luxury powerhouse with ease. Paired with a reinforced adaptive suspension system, the Big Boy offers a surprisingly smooth and controlled ride, even on challenging terrain. An advanced automatic transmission ensures seamless gear changes, while multiple driving modes adapt to highways, city driving, or off-road conditions. The motorhome also features cutting-edge driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and advanced braking technology, making this giant machine both powerful and confidence-inspiring to drive. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Brabus Big Boy Motorhome sits firmly at the pinnacle of the luxury RV market, with pricing starting at approximately $1.2 million and climbing higher depending on customization. This is not a motorhome for casual buyers, but for elite enthusiasts seeking ultimate exclusivity, craftsmanship, and performance. The price reflects the bespoke interior, industrial-grade engineering, Brabus performance upgrades, and the unmatched prestige that comes with owning one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever built. To sum up, the 2026 Brabus Big Boy Motorhome is a breathtaking fusion of extreme luxury, commanding performance, and uncompromising craftsmanship. It delivers a level of presence, comfort, and engineering excellence rarely seen in the motorhome world. Whether you're crossing continents or arriving in absolute style, the Brabus Big Boy offers an experience like nothing else on wheels. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.